The video tool displays one of the services carried by the signal being demodulated. In order to select any other service carried by the same transfer stream, you must press on the gray bar below the video picture on display. A new window will open up showing all services available, whether they be radio, video or data, which is shown by a corresponding icon of a music note, a TV screen, etc. respectively. In case of a video service, it is shown as well whether it is SD, HD or Ultra HD. Their respective service IDs are informed, as well as their names. If we press on the cog at the top right corner of the video panel, we will find an additional setup option to choose the service language in case there is more than one available.